Growing up listening to music, I always heard a phrase. They always said there is the music business and then there's the business of music. Something that if you're an artist and you intend to be major in the industry, you should familiarize with yourself very early on in the game. Unfortunately, for popular dancehall artist Malie Donn, otherwise known for his hits such as Bank,
Big cook, big niche, we a big thief.
Vanilla Card,
Lottery sweepstakes, how many make? Vanilla car,
Crook,
vanilla in a crook. I need a pretty bitch, I drop a foot.
and even his biggest hit, V6.
V6 panic toll and it can't stop. How I do it back past that.
Learned a bit too late in the game. Because unfortunately for Malie Donn, not being familiar with the business and doing favor for a friend, according to a podcast he was recently on, may have missed out on one of his biggest opportunities to sign to a major label. Let's check it out.
So V6, what was the process behind V6? You always knew that V6 would have blown
No.
to the extent where it is.
No.
So what you would say made V6 blow? 'Cause
V6.
earlier you tell me say with Crook, it was more that song trended with the female audience.
Yeah.
So what's that? What the formula behind V6 now?
Well, V6, I'ma tell you the truth. One of my friend, one of my manager friend, link him and say him have him bridging. We want to voice a song. And him say, oh, no really have no, I can't pay you full for your song. You have family price. I do his song. Do the song and me I drink, me I smoke and just under vibes and I say alright. Already I never sing pan a rhythm like that. With that type of bounce there. So I say alright. I just say I be myself. Whatever come forward. You see me? Whatever forward. So it was just a whole vibe. So I never have an intention say it's a hit song. Because guess what? Me myself never did really go hard to the extent to say, alright, this is a certified hit song. Me just say that be myself. And that is the thing. More while when you be yourself, you get more out of it when you take things too serious. Just like if you box with anger and too much aggression, you're going to get knocked out. When you're more composed and collective, you see him to be more tactical, you see me? So, that song, I never think too hard upon it. I never even rush to release it, for sure. Yeah? It's just the people, them automatically gravitate to it. It come like, the song just end up come like a drug. It's a whole vibe. It's just like when it did I get created. And I just see it spread like wildfire, you know? See labels reach out. Crazy for the song.
So you have a deal, you have deals on the table for signing to some big labels. Because right now we see where for the year I think 3 dancehall artists signed to major label.
Yeah, we could have been signed to a major label. Been before even V6. But we were waiting on a song like V6 before we signed. And we got V6. But unfortunately, the person who won V6, like the master, they wish not to sell V6 to a label. And the labels want me. But the labels are invested in V6. So
when you say them interested, they're more interested.
They're interested and invested. Them main focus is V6 because them see the numbers where it do naturally. V6 gone over. Bro, the natural numbers sparking. So automatically labels are going on the song.
Yeah.
You see me? So they're still trying to find a way to go around that.
So in terms of V6 now, you say the person who owns that song.
Yeah.
So what is it a situation where a bad deal involved in that?
No bad deal. People don't really understand producing the business side of music. So when you understand that as the audience from looking out, you will more understand music. So here how it go, me the artist voice the song. My own percentage, I get my rightful percentage, which is 50%.
As just the writer, the composer.
Yeah, I'm the songwriter.
The songwriter.
I am the artist.
Yeah.
But the person who owns the rhythm, the instrumental, the whole production of the song, who is the producer, they own the whole song, the master of the song. You see me? The publishing, the song is their song, the producer song.
Yeah.
I'm just the artist. So if I never make in writing on paper, say, okay, I want 40% of the masters.
Yeah.
If we never sign off on that, automatically it's the producer's song.
So you didn't sign off on that for V6? Like
as I say, V6 is a friend of my manager come and just give him a song. Me never did that look. Me nah look nothing, me just did that do a favor.
Boy, I know me really like that. So you find that, that happened a lot in a dancehall. But
and there you have it, gang. As you can see, Malie unfortunately doesn't own the masters to one of his biggest songs, his biggest hit, V6. And it seems that Malie, in fact, actually understands the business of music, but unfortunately, it seems this time he was just doing a favor for a friend. Okay, he was doing a favor for his manager, for a friend of his manager. He was just giving them a song at the time. It wasn't pre-in a hit, so on that time he didn't sign off for anything regards to the masters or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? He was just doing a favor for a friend, trying to help somebody out. You feel me? And it's an unfortunate situation. You know what I'm saying? Because in my opinion, you feel me? If Malie was kind enough, you see me, and generous enough to give you a song, you see me, and it turned out to be a hit song, and now labels are coming knocking. Yeah, I think you as a person, when you do a favor for, you should be considering selling, because you can be like, you know, you do this sort of goodness and heart. No, he did you a favor. Now it's your time to do him a favor. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and sell the song. Both of y'all can eat food off of it. You know, the song is a big song. It's definitely no more numbers, but with a label band, you can definitely do more numbers, and it can, you know, help Malie's career. You know what I'm saying? And if Malie get even bigger and grow, he can actually give you another song, you know, dog. You know what I'm saying? He can actually give you another song, and you can get a percentage of that as well. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's a real sad situation. You know what I'm saying? To know that, you know, Malie finally, labels was willing to sign him, but he was waiting till he find a hit song. He finally found a hit song, but unfortunately, because he did it as a favor, and you know he doesn't own the right to the masters, he can't even bring that to the labels. Label don't want to sign him because they also want one of your biggest songs. You know what I'm saying? They want to own the rights to one of the biggest songs in their catalog. You know what I'm saying? Which is crazy, man. But yeah, man, it's an unfortunate situation. Big up to Malie. I hope you get that situation resolved, and I hope you find another hit. You know what I'm saying? Because you are a very talented artist. I'm just sorry what's going on and how the situation is playing out, but I'm pretty sure you can find another hit. You know what I'm saying? The labels definitely, you know what I'm saying, they see your potential, so labels still gonna be interested. You know what I'm saying? But I just think the friend that you did that favor for, now it's their time to be a good friend. Do you a favor. Go ahead, let you be able to do, you know what I'm saying, do what you want with the song. You know, sell it, tell them, they can even say they want a percentage of the song after them sell it, or, you know, do a deal where you have to give them back a song to replace that. Like, come on now. You know what I'm saying? Because if you sign to a label boost the song, boost your career, you see me, it helps everybody, because you can then give them another song and everybody eat. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, let me know anything about the situation, and let me know your thoughts on the situation between Malie and, you know, between Malie and the labels and the producer, him not owning V6. What are your thoughts on that? You know what I'm saying? And you know, should artists start to learn more about the business side of the music before they start jumping in and doing deals and doing songs for people? You know what I'm saying? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, gang. Let me know if you like this update. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Become part of the gang. You already know what time it is. Stay tuned. We got more coming. We got reactions, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Let me know if you like the updates. You know, hit the like button, share. Until next time, gang, you don't know it's your boy Jambisco. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.